And I see all these things then as extensions of my own consciousness, rather than as something out here that I look up to and wish I had and get excited over. Isn't that wonderful? And we think of all the phenomena that are taking place, and we look from one thing to another, to another, to another, always trying to find meaning, always trying to find the answer of what's life all about. But the truth is, as I see it, one will never find the meaning of life out there. One will never find meaning in a job, in a relationship, in the world, in a book, in a teacher, in a teaching, in a psychic experience, or in a direct revelation from heaven. If it comes through some outer revelation or outer experience, one can only find meaning in himself. You begin with meaning. You begin at the point of your oneness, at the center, your centered realization of oneness with God. And out of this point of centered awareness, then you see meaning everywhere. And then there's a tendency to be able to be very controlled, very reserved, very objective, very mature in the inspection and analysis of any kind of phenomenon that may take place out there.